नमस्ते. मी रमेश जावीर, खरसुंडी, तालुका आटपाडी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट सांगली. Introduction to my new natural wood sculpture. Look at here. Here is an elephant. It is placing on a wooden plank, natural wooden plank. I found it in Wakhar. Wooden plank is in the image of Ganapati, and here the image of an elephant is placed on that wooden plank, and God Ganapati is source of an elephant. Natural wood sculpture. Thank you.